Did you know that explainer videos on a landing page can increase conversions by up to 80%? Yet most startups and marketing teams still don't have one because they're too expensive and too slow to produce. A typical explainer video from an agency costs $5,000 minimum and takes 2 to 3 weeks. What if you could create the same quality video in under 10 minutes using AI? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today using ngram.com. Let's go. Go to ngram.com and log in. Once you are logged in, click on Videos, and this time select Explainer Video. Choose your duration from the drop-down list and publishing platform. Here, I've selected YouTube. Now, in the topic or URL field, paste a detailed prompt describing your product and the problem it solves. Then, upload any reference files if you have them. Choose your avatar, voice among the various options provided by Ngram, and now choose the art style, or hit Auto. Pick your target audience. Here, I am selecting marketing teams, and click Next. Select your visual direction and continue. Ngram fetches your assets automatically, then hit Continue. You can add your brand details, logo, name, and URL. I have added Ngram, as you can see. Click on Continue. Now you can review your prompt and choose your AI models from the options and click Next. Now watch Ngram generate your complete explainer script in seconds. Review it, make any edits, and click Generate Video. The AI builds your storyboard, generates every scene, and stitches the final video together automatically. You can make changes here if needed. Once done, add your captions, preview the video. A professional explainer video, created entirely with AI in just a few minutes. And click Download. That's how easy it is to create a professional product explainer video with AI. No agency, no editor, no budget. Just your idea and Ngram. You can check out the output video in the description. Sign up for free at ngram.com. The link is in the description. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. I cover the best AI tools for marketers and founders every week. See you in the next one.